In a world driven by data, every decision matters. With Analytic Solver Optimization, you don't just analyze, you optimize. You turn uncertainty into clarity, complexity into strategy, and insight into impact. It's upward compatible with Excel Solver. Your model runs exactly as it is. No rebuilding, no rework. Simply open your model and click Optimize. Scale effortlessly from hundreds to thousands to even millions of decision variables with lightning-fast performance and precision built in. From conventional optimization, linear, mixed integer, and nonlinear to stochastic optimization, Analytic Solver equips you with the flexibility to model and solve it all. All powered by 8 state-of-the-art solver engines, including commercial plugins like Xpress, Gurobi, and OptQuest. Need help building your model? Meet Frontline's AI agent, your intelligent assistant, helping you from building your models to analyzing them and even offering expert recommendations. Just click the AI agent tab in the Analytic Solver task pane, ask your question, and get answers instantly. With live expert chat, guided mode, constraint wizard, and ready-to-run models tackling real-world optimization challenges across industries, you have everything you need to optimize with confidence. Fast, efficient, powerful. Optimize what matters with Analytic Solver Optimization. To learn more, register for a self-paced course or join a live webinar right from the help menu.